animals exhibit a wide range of lifespans from mere hours to millennia. The longevity of an animal is influenced by a variety of biological, ecological, and evolutionary factors. In this article, we'll take a look at the oldest animals with the longest lifespan. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about top 10 animals with longest lifespan. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Bowhead Whale, 200 plus years. Bowhead whales are baleen whales that live in the Arctic and subarctic regions. They are among the largest whales, with adults reaching lengths of 60 feet, 18 meters, and weighing 75 to 100 tons. Bowhead whales possess the thickest blubber of any whale species. This, combined with their huge size, allows them to thrive in the harsh Arctic environment by retaining body heat. They have a characteristic bow-shaped head that allows them to break through sea ice. Bowhead whales eat tiny crustaceans and other planktonic creatures. Number 9. Red Sea Urchin, 200 plus years. Red sea urchins are echinoderms that live along the Pacific coast of North America from Alaska to Baja California. They have a reddish-brown shell with strong, sharp spines that guard against predators. These spines move autonomously, allowing the urchin to travel and interact with its surroundings. Red sea urchins live on rocky reefs and kelp forests, feeding on algae. They are famed for their longevity, with several surviving for more than 200 years. Red sea urchins are harvested for their roe, which is a delicacy in Japanese cuisine and known as uni. Number 8. Rougheye Rockfish, 205 plus years. Rougheye rockfish are deep-water fish that live in the North Pacific Ocean. These fish can grow to be 38 inches, 97 centimeters, long and weigh 14 pounds, 6.4 kilograms at its largest. Rougheye rockfish enjoy rocky settings and are commonly found near aquatic structures like reefs and boulders. They are named from the tiny spines on the lower rim of their eyes. They are reddish-brown with spiky fins. Rougheye rockfish are among the longest-living fish species, with some reaching 205 years old. They grow slowly and reach maturity late. Number 7. Koi fish, 220 plus years. Koi fish are a domesticated and decorative variant of common carp. Koi are native to East Asia, specifically China and Japan, and have been bred for their colors and patterns for generations. In Asian tradition, they represent luck, prosperity, and good fortune. They are commonly kept in ponds and gardens. Koi are recognized for their lifespan. They can live for an average of 25 to 35 years, although some have lived for more than 200. Hanako, a legendary Japanese koi, lived to be 226 years old. Number 6. Freshwater Pearl Mussel, 280 plus years. Freshwater pearl mussels are among the longest-living invertebrates, having lifespans of more than 280 years. Their longevity is linked to their slow metabolism and the cold, pure waters in which they live. Freshwater pearl mussels live in clean, fast-flowing rivers and streams throughout Europe and North America. They have a dark, elongated shell and produce pearls, however they are less commercially valuable than those from sea oysters. The life cycle of freshwater pearl mussels is intriguing. Following fertilization, females release larvae that must attach to the gills or fins of a host fish, usually salmon or trout. After a few weeks of development, the mussels drop off and settle in the riverbed, eventually becoming adult mussels. Number 5. Greenland Shark, 500 plus years. Greenland sharks are enormous, slow-moving sharks that live in the icy waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. They have a black, mottled look and can grow to a length of 24 feet, 7.3 meters. Greenland sharks grow at an extremely slow rate, estimated at 0.4 inches, 1 centimeter, per year. This modest development rate contributes to their extraordinary lifespan. They achieve sexual maturity at approximately 150 years of age. According to scientists, the Greenland shark can live for at least 250 years and possibly over 500 years. Number 4. Ocean Quahog, 500 plus years. Ocean quahogs are bivalve mollusks living in the North Atlantic Ocean. These clams live on the seafloor, buried in sediment, and filter feed on plankton. Ocean quahogs can live for over 500 years. They only grow a few millimeters per year and can take decades to mature. Their age may be determined using their growth rings, which are comparable to those of trees. Their extraordinary longevity is ascribed to their slow metabolism and stable, deep-sea surroundings. The oldest known ocean quahog was estimated to be 507 years old, garnering it the nickname Ming due to its birth during the Ming Dynasty. Number 3. Black coral, 4. 15,000+ years. It's hard to believe. Yet some species live for thousands of years. Black corals can survive for more than 4,000 years, making them among the oldest surviving marine animals. These deep-sea corals can be found in oceans all over the world, but particularly in the waters off Hawaii and the Mediterranean. Despite the moniker, black corals are not usually black. The live tissue of black coral can be white, green, yellow, or red. However, their skeletons are dark or black, hence their name. The skeleton is composed of a rigid substance that mimics keratin. The corals thrive in deep, nutrient-rich seas, filter feeding on minute plankton. Number 2. Antarctic glass sponge. 15,000+ years. Antarctic glass sponges can survive for more than 15,000 years, making them among the world's oldest organisms. They are basic, permeable organisms that live in the cold, deep waters of the Antarctic Ocean. The water temperatures in their habitat can drop below freezing, but Antarctic glass sponges are well adapted to survive and grow in such harsh conditions. They have a very sluggish metabolism, and the cold, steady habitat lowers metabolic rates, resulting in delayed aging. Researchers are particularly interested in these sponges because researching them can reveal information about the molecular principles of aging and cellular repair. Number 1. Immortal jellyfish forever. The immortal jellyfish is a small jellyfish species with the potential to live eternally. This jellyfish can convert its adult cells into juvenile cells. This process, known as transdifferentiation, effectively reverses its life cycle, possibly allowing it to avoid death through old age. It begins life as a free-swimming larva before settling on the bottom and developing into a polyp. A polyp can create several jellyfish through asexual reproduction. Once a jellyfish reaches adulthood, it can return to the polyp stage, allowing it to continue its life cycle indefinitely. The eternal jellyfish lives largely in the Mediterranean Sea and off the coast of Japan, and that's a wrap on our video about the top 10 animals with longest lifespan. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.